These are the ingredients you will need. You will need some butter, some syrup, chocolate, and some Rice Krispies. And you'll also need sugar. For the ice cream, you'll need whipped cream, 4 dimes, sugar, water, cocoa powder, and some egg yolks. Just take a pot and melt the butter and add in the sugar and the syrup. And melt that and add the Rice Krispies. Mix it up and add the chocolate that you melted in the microwave. Mix that up. I just buttered the mold and lay down 1 piece of parchment paper and then add in the Rice Krispies. I also laid down a parchment paper on the side and made some chunks out of Rice Krispies so I can use that on the cake later. Just take your cream and mix it for a little while. Add in the egg yolks. Mix it. Add in the sugar. Mix it. Add in the cocoa powder. Add in the water. And just fold it in. Now take your Daim and chop it. And just add that in the batter. Pour your ice cream over the Rice Krispies and freeze that. And I just made some chocolate ganache that you can pour over the cake so you can have kind of a drip. But it's melting, so as fast as you're done, just put it in the freezer right away after. And this is my result. You can decorate it just as you want.